This is a 2020 Jeep Gladiator, blue over black interior, power windows, locks, heated power mirrors, leather wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, Bluetooth for your cell phone, navigation, satellite radio, remote start. There's a look at the rear seat, hardtop, aluminum wheels, receiver hitch, backup camera, lockable tailgate, sliding rear window. This vehicle is powered by a 3.6 liter V-6 engine, so it's got power. And like all pre-owned vehicles at AutoNation Chevrolet, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.